Every decision traced, every action accountable. Hi, I'm Lalita, participating in HackHazards 2026 under the name VeryTrace. Very for truth, trace for audit trace. Together, tracing the truth behind every decision. And that's exactly what I built, AgentBlame. In one line, it's an audit trail for AI agents so you can see not just what agent decided, but why at every single step. Let's dive in. Here's the problem. AI agents today handle multi-step, high-stakes tasks, booking services, processing refunds, deploying code, running entire workflows, often with zero human oversight. But they only give you the final outcome, no record of decisions, checks, or reasoning behind it. So when something goes wrong, you find out only after damage is done, with no way to trace where the agent failed. Teams end up relying on blind trust, no way to verify, audit, or reconstruct what actually happened. What's missing is a transparent step by step audit layer that reconstructs what agent did, why it made each decision, and how it got to the final outcome. Now, the solution. It's an audit layer built on render workflows that reconstructs an AI agent's entire execution, not just the final outcome. That's AgentBlame. It captures every workflow step, inputs, outputs, confidence scores, timestamps, building a complete audit trail. It continuously monitors workflows in real time to catch unexpected decisions, skipped validations, or abnormal outputs as they happen. The result? AI workflows that are transparent, traceable, and replayable. Features. Here are the core features. First, the live audit timeline, recording every workflow step in real time with timestamps. Second, per step confidence scores, shows confident at every decision, not just end result. Third, automatic risk flagging, instantly catching skipped validation and abnormal outputs. And finally, the aggregate trust score, summarizing the overall reliability of an entire workflow run. Now, technical implementation. On the tech side, render workflows orchestrate each AI task as monitorable steps. This is the backbone of whole project. Fast API captures and serves the workflow execution data in real time. SQLite stores every input, output, confidence score, and timestamp as searchable audit log. It's all deployed on render, giving a production-like environment for live workflow monitoring and end-to-end on render ecosystem. Now, demo and links. Now let me show you AgentBlame in action. So this is live AgentBlame dashboard. I'll give the agent a task like book a trip. I'll type in the destination, then the date and the budget. I'll then click on the run agent and watch the log below. First, validate requests. The agent checks everything I entered actually makes sense before it does anything else. Then search providers. It goes and looks at what travel options are actually available for the trip. Next, analyze options. This is where it reasons through the choices, comparing prices, timing, and fit against my budget. Then run security. Before committing to anything, it verifies the option is safe and legitimate. And finally, execute booking. Only after all that passes is done, it actually confirms the booking. Notice every single one of these has its own confidence score and run status. So I'm not just seeing booking confirmed at the end. I'm seeing how exactly the agent was at every step and whether anything got flagged along the way. That's the whole point of AgentBlame. Nothing is black box. Codes on my GitHub Live and live demo link is on screen. This is AgentBlame, built solo on render flow track for HackHazards 2026 under Team VeryTrace. Thanks for watching.